Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Belver Reviews today, and I'm sorry about the echo. I didn't know this was going to happen in the basement. My first time doing a video down here, and so I'm at my property. I got this for the basement medicine cabinet for whatever new tenants that I get. I hope that they like it. I'm trying to fix up the apartment as best as possible because I like doing it. This is like a hobby to me. I like making my tenants happy and fixing their stuff, and I know how to fix everything, so it's great. You know. Alright, it is Glacier Bay. Don't expect too much. You know what I mean? Just saying. It is Glacier Bay. So let's move this over here so we can lean it against the wall, make it a little safe. We're just going to cut that open. Let's see if we can open up the door. There we go. That's pretty nice. Well, this is nice because you can fold the mirrors, look on the side of your head. If you have a mirror in the back on the door, bam, awesome. I might do that for my tenants. You put one in the back, you do this, you can do your hair. I don't have any hair to do. I'm talking about girls and stuff. I've seen when the boys, guys, whatever, I don't care. But whoever does their hair in there, this is awesome to go like this, and for everyone to kind of, do their hair in the back so you don't miss a spot, whatever. So this is troubleshooting. Installation looks straightforward. Pre-drilled the back of the cabinet so it's ready to go. I would just, aim for the studs. The clips, there should be clips somewhere for the shelf. We'll find those clips. I don't know where those are. The shelves are inside already. Like I said, I'm probably going to take off the doors when I install this, just to make it really easy for me, because that's how I roll. So, here they are, they're right here. I found the clips. Oh, here, I can put it like this. It shouldn't fall. Okay, so here's the clips right here for the shelf. Nothing fancy. I mean, what do you want? Let me get my screw gun. I'm going to take off the doors to make this simple for installation. Hello everyone, we're back with Glenn Belver Reviews. We are going to install this vanity. I didn't get to do it the same day that I did the unboxing because the walls, you get what you pay for. I just got to tell you that. I mean, I had a friend paint for me, and I honestly, it looks like a 6-year-old came here and painted my apartment. And literally all you got to do is paint everything the same color white, ceiling, trim, wall. I mean, there's even no cutting in really that much. So yeah, I got I don't say I got played, but I got what I paid for, and I thought it was going to be better. I thought they knew what they were doing, but enough about me bitching about that I had to redo the entire bathroom last night, and that took me hours because there was lumps everywhere, and I had to scrape them and then spackle. It was just nuts, so painted that white. So we're going to get to installing this. I took off the doors of my of the medicine cabinet. I took off the doors. I already marked where my holes are going to go. What I did was, to make everything easy, as you see in my other videos, I center line everything, okay? I made a center line with lines up there, and then I made center line over here. So I'm just going to I matched all of them up, and then I marked where my holes are going to be. So the bottom two are not really to hold weight, they're just to hold it against the wall so it doesn't come out and look flimsy and cheap. So those are just really not for weight. That's why I just use the blue anchors for that. The top is going to hold all the weight. So that is going to have, in the stud, I'm going to put a 2-inch lag bolt with a big washer. And then I'm going to, then also must be wood behind this wall. I was going to use a toggle bolt, butterfly, whatever you call it, in this hole over here. I'm going to use, like 2 strong ones and then 2 on the bottom. That should be enough to hold like 50 pounds. You shouldn't put more than that in here. Pitch in. Wow. That ain't going nowhere, huh? Oh, no way. Alright, that ain't going nowhere. Ow! Scratched my ball. And we're level. Alright, let's drill the rest of this puppy. Oh, my drill's on the floor. Ow! Alright, let's drill another lag bolt in the corner over here, even though this is kind of swayed. Done. Everything's tight. Let's wipe out the crap. I don't have a towel somewhere. No, I don't. Okay. And then let's get into the mirrors and see what this baby looks like. Where's my screwdriver? I wish I had some music. I don't have music because Verizon sucks. Oh, that's why I don't have freaking music. I guess they have to be adjusted. Yeah, the mirrors have to be adjusted, but we'll wing that out later. Let's just get everything installed. That can be done at a later date. All right, here's where we gotta mess around with this, I guess. Damn it. Maybe you have to open this up. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be fine. Okay, because this one you can just do it this way. I'm going to try to adjust it, but this is the outcome. This is what you can expect it to look like. I don't have lights over there yet. We didn't pick them out. So now I don't have them. Why won't this close? This won't close. Why? This needs to come out more, maybe? Jeez, I made that thing worse, huh? You idiot. Okay, much better. I just got to make the seams a little bit better, but that's what you can expect it to look like. In a later video, you guys will see it. I'll have the vanity light installed. I'll do a review on that. Sorry for how dark it looks, but that's it for now. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, thanks a lot, guys. I'm out. Bye-bye.